I've heard that it's impossible to pass parameters in tap gestures. Let's find out if that's true. So I want to talk you through this app and code. There are just 3 colours here, they're just 3 views, and when you click on them, various things happen. So there's nothing exciting about the view. I've even done it in a storyboard and a nib file. It just doesn't matter. You can look at the repo for that kind of stuff. What I'm trying to do is find out which view I've clicked when I've clicked on it in the view controller. So you might think you can just set up a gesture recognizer like this and then add a tag and then log to the console. If you've clicked on a particular view, it will print the name of that view, which is this first line here, and it does work. But the issue is you shouldn't really be using tags in this way. Tags are not guaranteed to be unique. So perhaps you'll use something like this. You'll have a second view which is a subclassed view. So the subclassed view looks something like this, and it contains a number in it. So you know you're in control of that number in a way that you aren't with tags. So then with a bit of an optional casting, then you can print out that number. Wonderful. But this optional casting is never very satisfactory, and often people attempted to force unwrap there. So there's a third option where you subclass the tap gesture recognizer itself. So if we go there, we can see you're actually storing the number in the tap gesture recognizer, and you've got a bit of a more complicated initializer that initializes the number. Why is this useful? Well, because then you can just log to the console using the subclassed tap gesture recognizer, which is defined there. We send the number, and then we can print out that number, and there's none of that horrible optional casting. Now, it's quite a short video. I've made it because I'm surprised people say this is impossible and you have to revert to using tags. This is proof that you genuinely don't. And what's more, I don't think you should. I think this subclassing of the gesture recognizer is a good way of passing a parameter when you're tapping your view. Well, I hope that's been of use to you, and I'll see you next time.